Some of the early 1OS style Roastrunner ovens are fitted with this door seal across the top. This is a continuation of the door seal that is used up and down the side. Continues around across the top. This seal is difficult to remove and renew, and it is very susceptible to being damaged by the steam. So we have a retrofit kit that puts a Teflon door seal at the top of the oven chamber. Start by removing the old silicone door seal and cleaning up the area where the new door seal is to be fitted. Using the supplied template and noting that C stands for center, place this against the edge, making sure that the center is hitting hard up against the Teflon block where the gantry is. Using a 1/8 drill, you can then dimple and mark using the holes supplied in the template. These will be the centers for the bolts that will retain the new seal. Using a 5.5mm drill bit, drill through the holes marked out by the template. Once you have done so, use an M6 tap and put threads in the holes. Using the 5.5mm drill will make it easy to tap the M6 threads, as the stainless steel is particularly hard and it is 4mm thick. We are now going to fit the seal retainer plate and the Teflon seal to the oven. Use a shifting spanner to pre-bend the end of the Teflon. This will make it easier for you when you're fitting it up to the oven. Fit the door seal and the retainer plate as shown. Nip the fasteners up so that the door seal can be just moved with your body weight backwards and forwards. Pull the Teflon till it's at its furthest out adjustment. Now close the oven door. Looking from the top down, we can see that the Teflon seal has pressed hard against the glass all the way along. So we can now lock off those fasteners. We have locked all the fasteners and we've closed the oven door again and checked to make sure that we have a good seal between this edge and the glass. We can look at doing the last bolt. Close the oven door again. Looking from behind the oven, we can see the Teflon seal. We can see that it's hitting hard against the glass. So we're going to take a felt pen and we're going to put a mark to show the position of where the Teflon is when the door is closed. Using a small pair of vice grips, clamp the seal. We can now tap the seal over to where the black line is so that we can drill it from the other side in its correct position. We can now drill and tap the last hole. Put the bolt in it and do it up firm. Close the oven door and check to make sure that there is a good seal between the Teflon and the glass. It is perfectly acceptable to use a Stanley knife to carve any of these corners here and over here. So if they need to be trimmed up to get a better seal and a better fit, it is completely acceptable to trim them with a knife. The silicone door seal should be firm up against the Teflon door seal around here.